In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Joy-Cons aren't connecting to your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing you want to do is take the Joy-Cons off the Switch. So go ahead and do that now. And then once your Joy-Cons are off, what you want to do is press the sync button on the top to turn them off. So do that on your one controller, then do it on the other. Just simply tap the sync button and they should turn off. Now we're going to go to System Settings using the touchscreen on the Switch. And you want to scroll all the way down on the left side and go to System at the bottom and make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software version. So after you've done that, you can go ahead and turn off your Switch by pressing and holding the power button. You can either fully turn it off and wait a couple seconds and turn it back on, or you can just simply restart it. Now once it's restarted, what you want to do is grab your Joy-Cons and you want to put them on the sides to see if they're going to pair to your console. Now, if they don't, no worries, just test it out, see if it works. If it doesn't, what we're going to do is go to the home menu and we're going to take them off again. And then once you have the Joy-Cons off your Switch, we're going to be going to controllers from the home screen. And from here, we're going to go to change grip/order. Now grab your Joy-Cons and what you want to do is press and hold the sync button on the top of them. And that's going to cause the lights to flash. And hopefully your Joy-Cons are going to pair at this point. Now, if they have paired, what I recommend you do is to go to Settings, and then once you're in System Settings, we're going to scroll down and go to Controllers and Sensors, and make sure to update your Joy-Cons. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.